Hi, to create secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy A35, we need to go in the phone settings first, and from here scroll till we could see tab security and privacy. Great, select it and then scroll a bit more and go in more security settings. And after that, right, the first thing you should see is secure folder. So just tap it, and now we need to set it up. So let's tap continue. Here we need to tap continue as well, and now it is creating our secure folder and we are simply waiting. So while we are waiting, I'm gonna just explain to you what does this mean. It means that the secure folder will be created in which you can place some apps or photos, videos and so on. So you just need to create lock type, something like PIN code, passcode, something like pattern, just like this. And the folder will be open just with the help of password, PIN code and so on. So you cannot open it without it. So here you can securely keep your important files, photos or videos, just any type of documents you want. This is really great to protect your privacy. And now, as I said before, we need to choose lock type. So let's select PIN code, and now I'm just gonna enter all zeros. So let's just erase it and try 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. And now let's tap continue. Here let's say use anyway and re-enter it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And tap OK. And now the PIN code is created. We can also turn on reset with Samsung account, so if you forget how to unlock this folder, you can reset your lock using your Samsung account. So let's turn it on. And now we can also enable fingerprints here if you want to. And you can also switch to any different type of protection. Now let's tap next. And here we got some default apps which will be placed in this secure folder. You can add even more if you tap on the plus and select something from the list. For example, we can choose Gmail. Just tap it and then choose to add it to this secure folder, and yep, it appears right here. We can tap on the three dots, select a sort, lock and exit, and so on. But I'm perfectly fine with this one, so let's leave it that way and simply use the arrow to go back. Now let's go in secure folder once more in the settings. And here we should enable add secure folder to apps screen if you wanna see it in your apps screen. So let's check it. I'm just gonna enable my app drawer, swipe left, and yep, secure folder appears right here. So you can immediately open it. You can go in your gallery, and as you can see, we added no pictures to the secure folder. And to add something here, we just need to open our usual gallery. Here, select any photo we wanna hide, so move to the secure folder. Then tap on the three dots and choose move to secure folder. And now this photo will disappear from your gallery and will be moved to your secure folder, so let's check it. I'm gonna open it and then go in gallery, and yep, now we got here one photo. You can go in your notes, for example, and immediately create note here which you want to keep in this folder. So let's just enter something, just anything like that, just as an example, and I'm just gonna go back and let's leave secure folder, open it again. Try to open notes, and yep, this note is secured in this folder, which is pretty great. So now let's go back in the settings. Let me just find my settings, select secure folder, and now we should change auto lock secure folder. So we just tap it and we got several options. So you can lock it when screen turns off, each time I leave an app, after 10 minutes, after 5 minutes, after 30, and when phone restarts. I suggest you to enable one of these three options, so to get the most privacy. Let's choose this one, for example, each time I leave an app. And now let's try to open secure folder. And yep, Now we just need to enter our PIN code. So everything is working just fine. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!